Welcome back to the channel. Today I am here to share few tips and tricks for all the board examinees. My first point is known to all the students: practice and revise regularly. You have to build a study space for you. That doesn't mean a physical space but a mental setup how to study. You should always have a proper timetable. Maintain a notepad where you can jot down all the important points that the teachers say in the classes, and when you are reading the chapters, whatever you feel is important, you can use highlighters for that. Prepare a goal list and also update that with your monthly achievements. If you are not able to complete your goal in a particular month, shift that to the next month, but do not push it to the third month. And never skip anything. Try to read each and every part, because you never know from which part the question comes. Even if the teachers are guiding you according to the council pattern that this question has come for the last year, it shall not come for the coming year. Do not trust those things. Now let me tell you subject wise. So the most difficult subject, we have often heard from our friends as well as our seniors and now from our juniors too, that mathematics is the toughest subject of ISC. So yes, it is a tough subject, but not the toughest probably. Because if you are in regular practice, you can easily solve the sums. So for dealing with the so-called toughest subject, write down your formulas in a notebook and update that regularly. Because from my experience, I can tell you that I always maintain the notepad, but it is so very boring to update that. Please do update that and never ever push it to the last day. If you go through that formulas when you are in a hectic schedule and you are not able to solve sums, if you go through that notepad, you will be benefited. So for subjects like economics, biology, I can tell you, always maintain a diary and jot down all the diagrams, all the key points that are related to the diagram, and also try to frame questions that might come from the diagram based questions. So if you are doing that, you are forming a good note for yourself for the last minute preparation. Now the most neglected subject. Yes, it's English for all the students, be from the science stream or the humanities stream or the commerce stream. If you are in regular practice of the phrasal verbs, of the tense passages as well as transformation of sentences, scoring 15 in grammar is a piece of cake. So practice those regularly and maintain a list of the phrasal verbs, a list of the rules for transforming a sentence, and also how to apply the change in tenses in the passages. Let me tell you, I have seen students fearing Macbeth, but I never feared Macbeth. That is because I have always done the syllabus in a very scheduled manner. If you start studying Macbeth from the very first day, you won't fear Macbeth. And never try to write the question answers from the very first day. Try to understand and realize what they are saying. So gradually you will see that you are able to write the answers. So start from the first day and read it with passion. You will often realize that Macbeth is teaching you many things which are so relevant in today's society also. Now, the biggest problem, distractions. People say, keep away your distractions, but I say, use your distractions to the fullest. We are often distracted by our mobile phones. So we feel like scrolling the YouTube shorts or checking the Instagram or any other social platform. So what I did was that whenever you're feeling like this, set an alarm for 10 minutes. You tell yourself, I'll study for 10 minutes and then I'll take a break of 5 minutes. By this process, you will see that after those 10 minutes, you are not feeling anymore to check the Instagram or the YouTube. Rather, you were motivated to finish the chapter. Now, the last one, of course. Do not hear what people say, especially from those who have no knowledge about your syllabus, about your curriculum, about your examination. Hear from only your teachers, guides and mentors who are aware of the changing syllabus, about the changing paper pattern, how to write the question answers, how to tackle the difficult situations, how to finish the syllabus on time, and many other things. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम ही है कहना. This should be your motto, and all the best. I am there to share more tips and tricks. Do let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye.